Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how this pencil circuit actually works. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Hey guys, now I am going to draw a parallel line for 20 cm. Just make the line thick to conduct more voltage.
2 hours later.
Now I am using this 9-volt battery to power this pencil circuit. I am going to place one negative on one line and positive on another line. By using this cellophane tape, I am going to stick the wires to the drawn lines. Let's check the output voltage from this 9-volt battery. As you can see, it was showing 9.48 volt. Now I am going to power this circuit. Let's check the circuit line whether it was connecting some voltage. Now I am placing it in 2 cm. As you can see, it was showing 7.30 volt. Now I am going to place it in 5 cm. It was showing 4.20. Now I am going to place in 10 cm. It was showing 2.04. At 15 it was totally decreased to 0.10. As we can see that the voltage drops gradually from the initial power supply to the last. Now I am going to place a green color LED in 1 cm. As you can see, the brightness of LED is quite good and we are receiving enough 3 volt from 9 volt. Now I am going to place it in 5 cm. As you can see, the brightness is quite faded. Now I am going to place it in 10 cm. Oh, the brightness is totally faded. Okay, let's check that 10 cm with this multimeter. The multimeter is showing 1.87 volt. It won't help to glow in LED. Let's check it in 5 cm. It was showing 3.83. It's enough to glow in LED. In 1 cm, you can see we are getting 7.84 volt from the 9 volt supply. We know that the tip of the pencil is made up of lead. Lead is a quite good conductor of electricity, but the flow of voltage in lead decreases when the length of the lead increases. So the flow of current in lead is totally dependent on the length of the lead. The electrons in lead are arranged loosely like this. That's why the flow of current from one electron to another one decreases.